Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist to prepare for your upcoming exams. Firstly, let's create a new project. Click on the plus sign next to Projects and name your new project something like Exam Prep. This is our first step because it gives us a dedicated space for all our exam-related tasks and deadlines. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks. Simply click on the plus sign in your Exam Prep project and start adding tasks like Study Chapter 1 or Practice Maths problems. The reason we do this is to break down our study schedule into manageable portions. Next, assign a priority level to each task. Todoist lets you select from 4 levels, with P1 being the most urgent. Assigning priorities helps us because we can easily identify what needs to be done first. Once you've assigned priorities, let's set due dates for each task. Click on the task, then click Schedule and select the date. This is an essential step because it keeps us on track and ensures we're not cramming at the last minute. Now, let's set reminders. Click on a task and select Remind Me. You can choose to be reminded on the date of the task or a few days before. This helps us because it ensures we never forget about an upcoming task. Finally, use the Labels and Filters features. Labels allow you to categorize tasks like revision or homework, while filters let you view tasks based on certain criteria like priority or due date. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By using labels and filters, we're creating a structured, organized study plan that can be easily navigated and tracked. To wrap up, Todoist is a powerful tool that can effectively streamline your exam preparation process, making it more organized and manageable. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use Todoist to prepare for your exams. Remember, the key is to start early and stay consistent. Happy studying!